How about Tina? Can you read this sentence, please?
There are 3 birthdays in my class this month.
This month, make sure we get the
This month.
Good, awesome, Tina. How about Mina? Mina, can you read this sentence, please?
My parents are postmaster teachers.
Teachers. Can we try teachers again?
Teacher.
Make sure we pronounce the S, okay? Teachers.
Teachers.
Good, much better. Awesome. Now, Mina, can you please give it a try?
My name is Mina. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I'm in my free. I have
5 sisters and brothers?
5 people.
Okay, 5 people. Do you have a sister and a brother?
Yes.
Awesome. Robert, how many sons and how many daughters are there? So how many sons and then how many daughters in this family?
There are 1 son and 1 daughter.
Okay, so there is 1 daughter, Lisa, but there are 2 sons, this one and this one. So Lisa is the daughter, Liam and Tom are both sons. So we have 2 sons and 1 daughter, okay? So remember, the green sound should sound like the.
Mother, brother, and this.
Awesome. So mother, breathe, and this. Good job, Robert. Perfect pronunciation. All right, and the final one, how about Lena? Can you also read this one, please?
Then birthday are on the same day and the work.
They always celebrate that together. Awesome. So bye-bye for now.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.